Communality refers to a sense of community and shared values, interests, or responsibilities among a group of people. It emphasizes the importance of collective well-being and mutual support within a community. Example sentence. The festival fostered a strong sense of communality, bringing together people from diverse backgrounds to celebrate and share their traditions. It's all about togetherness and finding strength in unity. Quite heartwarming, don't you think? Here are some examples of communality from Indian history. Village Panchayats. In ancient India, village Panchayats, local self-governing bodies, were a prime example of communality. Villagers would come together to make decisions, resolve disputes, and manage resources collectively. This system fostered a strong sense of community and shared responsibility. Chipko movement. In the 1970s, the Chipko movement in Uttarakhand saw villagers, especially women, hugging trees to prevent deforestation. This grassroots environmental campaign highlighted the power of community action and collective responsibility towards nature. These examples showcase how communality has been a vital aspect of Indian society, promoting unity, cooperation, and shared values. Do any of these examples resonate with you?